Welcome to day 5 of the big spring clean sale at Tonic Studios, where we are adding new craft bundles daily at exceptional prices all the way up until Easter Monday. First of today's deals is the foil craft card bundle with 9 packs of exquisite foil craft card in dazzling designs. At 75% off, this bundle is not to be missed. Next, we have a Nuvo drop collection bundle containing 8 different shades to finish any project with style. This bundle is available at an incredible 65% off. Our stamp storage bundle is next, which contains a luxury storage tray, 2 stamp sheets and a pack of divider sheets too, so that you can keep your stamps perfectly organised at a discounted price. And finally, we have our graceful 4-season frames, forward die sets that encapsulate the seasons, available for you at 60% off. So there you have your day 5 deals. As always, these are limited edition bundles, so check back daily to avoid missing out on the best deals Tonic have to offer.